Welcome to Learn Lively, educational channel for kids.
3rd Standard Social Science, Unit 1, Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu. A little girl dressed up as Bharatiyar comes to her mother with a certificate in her hand.
Mom, I am so happy. I won the first prize in the fancy dress competition today.
Very good. I am proud of you, Meena.
Thank you.
How was the Independence Day celebrated in your school?
It went very well. My teachers appreciated me for my speech as Bharatiyar.
Well done. I missed your performance as Bharatiyar.
Don't worry, Mom. I will enact again.
Oh, sure.
I am Subramanya Bharati. I am a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. I was born in a village called Ettayapuram in Tuticorin district. I started writing poems at the age of 7. My poems are patriotic and it is all about gender equality and women empowerment. I worked as a teacher. Then I became the assistant editor of the Swadesamitran newspaper in 1904. I also met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. I worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramanya Siva. My poems Vande Mataram, Achum Illai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharatam motivated people to join the freedom struggle movement. Thank you.
Excellent, Meena. You spoke very well. Bharati was indeed a great freedom fighter and one can't forget his contribution for the freedom struggle.
True. I also learnt about other freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu today.
Oh, is it? Tell me what you learnt.
One of my friends dressed up as V.O. Chidambaram.
V.O. Chidambaram was also called Kappalottiya Tamilan.
Yes, he was born in Tuticorin. He was a lawyer and was also a good orator. He took part in the Indian independence movement.
Meena, did you know that V.O. Chidambaram started the first Indian shipping company? It was called Swadesi Shipping Company.
Yes, Mom. V.O. Chidambaram gained popularity. Many people started to follow him, which worried the British people. Hence, the British sent V.O. Chidambaram to jail.
You are right. Though he was in the jail, he continued to fight for India's independence. His patriotism inspires many people even today.
Yes, Mom. Then I learnt about Sembaka Raman.
Yes, during his school days, he met a British biologist, Sir Walter Strickland, who took him to Austria. Sembaka Raman completed his schooling in Austria.
Though he grew up in a foreign land, he was still very patriotic.
That's right. Sembaka Raman established an organization called International Pro-India Committee at Zurich before the outbreak of the World War I. During the war, Sembaka Raman intensified his revolutionary ideologies. He also joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin.
My teacher told that he coined the slogan Jai Hind, which is used till today.
Yes.
Then I learnt about Subramanya Shiva.
He was a freedom fighter and a creative writer.
Yes, Mom, he was born in Dindigul and was very passionate about Tamil.
Subramanya Shiva started a monthly newspaper called Jnana Banu. He wrote many books, namely Ramanuja Vijayam, Shankara Vijayam, and so on.
He inspired many young people to join the freedom movement. This angered the British and they sent him to jail.
Even though he was in the jail, he continued his work for the freedom movement.
Oh, really?
Yes. Did you learn about Tirupur Kumaran?
Of course, he was born in Tirupur. During his young age, he actively involved himself in the freedom movement.
Yes, Meena. He started Desa Bandhu Youth Association. It inspired many young people of Tamil Nadu to take part in the freedom struggle.
During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. So, he is called Kodikatha Kumaran.
You are right.
I am very much inspired after knowing all these freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu.
Yes, their patriotism towards India and the contribution to independence can never be forgotten.
They inspire and motivate us to be better citizens and serve our country.
You are right. Evaluation. Choose the correct answer. Where was Bharatiyar born? Ettayapuram. Which poem was not composed by Bharatiyar? Katti Indri. Who is known as Kappalotiya Tamilan? V.O. Chidambaram. Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Sembagaraman. Who started a monthly newspaper Jnana Banu? Subramanya Shiva. Match the following. Desa Bandhu Youth Association, Tirupur Kumaran. Dindigul, Subramanya Shiva. International Pro-India Committee, Sembagaraman. Swadesamitran, Bharatiyar. Lawyer, V.O. Chidambaram.